Bees have built in a bunch of concrete forms here at the local concrete plant.
Did you call him? Oh, see, this truck's in the way. Yeah, no, they just up back here. Well, was that thing in here last time?
I think so.
We got movies forms and get at the bees.
You know, I'll call him. I got 7 minutes.
All right. Okay, we've got down here now to there's several bees in between the forms, and then just coming out. What we'll do here is take the bee vac, get the bee vac up there, and then we'll just suck them up. Got it so we're just barely lifts them off. You don't want to suck them up very hard, otherwise it'll kill them and run down that hose. But we can get rid of a whole lot of bees right here. Try to suck up a bunch here. Got most of the forms moved. We got to get down to this last stack. Been sucking up several bees already. There's still several around here. We'll suck up some more here just in a minute. It's in Durham there. Then McGuire operating skid steer. Need to get them others.
Get over there in the picture, dude.
Well, I got one of the forms picked up. You can see here we got a lot of new honey in under. Real pretty. Look at that. Nice looking honey. We'll get that cleaned up here in a minute. And they're coming through the hole right here. And also a hole right here. So the brood chamber is most likely underneath here. And we'll get that here just in a minute.
Is that about as hard as you ever suck?
You don't want much. Just barely suck it. Not like you, Tim. Alright.
Alrighty now. Fixing to lift another one up. Let's see what we got.
Oh, Lord.
See my feet?
Yeah.
Down here. Probably ain't. Sammy and Tim is pulling out more of the honey. You see, still this year's honey. This form goes all the way down here. Ain't time to clean yet. A lot of bees. The thing about it is, they're still coming out of another hole here in the bottom that we stand on this form, so there's more underneath us. What kind of move is that, Tim? Where that backhanded?
I'm picking this hose up. I believe the hose, I swear I believe the hose is full of honey. I mean bees.
Maybe.
I hope it is.
Why don't you go back there and tell Dan we've got all the bees we need and they can have the rest of them.
But you eat that?
Yeah. That's good, honey.
Will they make another queen?
If we got, if another queenless and there's available one-day-old larvae, they will.
Well, how do we keep from him having these right back in here?
Well, then, I think we're going to take a few of them with us.
A good place.
Boy, it'd be pretty in jars. Call, are you?
Darker. You don't want to keep. You don't want to mix it, do you?
Nah, I'd rather not.
Like basement stage.
Here I lifted up the next layer. Got some new honey in it. Not as much as what we had. We'll get that cleaned out here just in a minute. And that should about do it, except for 10 jillion.